world has many special places. Which one is the most beautiful, the most attractive, the most innovative? Which one is best of all? Different people will answer these questions differently. It comes down to the individual's point of view and to differing experiences. But if you ask people who produce high-precision parts with machines to name a very special place, you will often hear the name of a small community in southern Germany. Gossheim. A place that offers something special in many respects. Many say that people's vision is more acute here than elsewhere. Many say that people work more precisely here. Many say that people here are more goal-oriented, persevering, and successful. But above all, this place is so special because something very special is created here. HERMLE machine centers. Many say they're the best machines in the world. The ideas for a new machine are always created in the market to meet our customers' requirements worldwide. Only in this way do the performance features that guarantee a real advance come into being. Through our local presence, we implement them in products that suit the market, and all of this exclusively at the headquarters in Gossheim, different from others. This film will show you how. Milling at its best starts with basic research and virtual worlds. That means that even before the smallest component is produced, HERMLE machines have already passed critical endurance tests. The most modern development tools, including FEM simulation or experimental model analysis, ensure HERMLE perfection in thermal, static, and dynamic behavior. The results lead to intensive series of tests. Prototypes and pilot series ensure the absolute efficiency of every HERMLE machine in a realistic production environment. And why? To ensure user-friendliness and safety for HERMLE high-end machines down to the last detail. Details. They also play an important role in purchasing and resource management. For example, complete transparency, which is achieved by networked planning and scheduling information. Suppliers are carefully chosen in quality partnerships that may last for decades. All parts that are used are manufactured on location in Germany, most of them in the immediate vicinity. This inevitably results in the shortest throughput times and fast responses. A perfect result requires perfection from the start. Just as spectacular as the performance features of a HERMLE machine is the birth of a machine bed or table housing. These key elements are built to unique raw material formulas. They form the framework for high technological performance. The framework is up. Now come the fine details. The consistent approach is high precision. To ensure just-in-time delivery, many machining steps must run in parallel. Innovative manufacturing concepts and a unique fleet of machines with leading measurement technology guarantees a competitive edge made by HERMLE. The same applies to component assembly, which is performed in groups, each with its own responsibility. And just what is assembled? In a word, everything, from switch cabinets to Y-slides. Spindle manufacturing in particular demonstrates why HERMLE machines set standards worldwide, always at the limits of what is possible. Over 20,000 successfully installed machines bear witness to a model for success. HERMLE also manufactures the outer shell of machining centers in parallel to the most exacting tolerances. Sheet metal manufacturing produces cabin parts, enclosures, and motor supports. As with all automation, nothing happens without people. Technology and teams together handle 7,500 individual orders each year. Time and position are precisely defined. Products from chip removal, sheet metal production, and assembled components reach final assembly at the same time. All components that involve special expertise are produced internally, without exception. This is the only way for HERMLE to guarantee its capability of assembling outstanding machines and understanding their complexity as well, down to the last detail. Now, experienced professionals are adding the finishing touches as perfect components become a perfect brand product, which will demonstrate its superior performance features in a 24-hour endurance test. Where does it go from here? Far and wide. HERMLE machines find their niche wherever high-efficiency production is in demand. The machining centers arrive at the installation site quickly and safely. Customers can place them in operation immediately. But what is the most efficient way to use HERMLE machines? Any way that brings people and technology together harmoniously, allowing the best machines to tap their full potential. That's precisely the focus of the extensive HERMLE training courses. With the emphasis on extensive. After all, choosing to buy a HERMLE machine is a vote for sustainability. The extended range of HERMLE's customer service sets standards, and not just in machine manufacturing. It includes a customer hotline, teleservice, preventative maintenance, remote diagnostics, and many other cutting-edge tools. The goal is to detect critical states before any damage even occurs. HERMLE also offers unbelievable dimension in its spare parts supply. A true benchmark in the market, 24-hour service, and the same availability for old and new models. That's part of HERMLE quality. And quality is everywhere. HERMLE takes being close to the customer literally. Its decentralized customer service team is present in Germany and abroad, best equipped with the best training. Best equipped sums up HERMLE's wholly owned subsidiary, HLS HERMLE Leibinger System Technik, which offers customer-specific automation solutions from a single source. Customer solutions for more than 10 years. Many employees have been here much longer. Of the 800 current employees, 14% are apprentices. More than 50% of employees were trained by HERMLE, another testimonial to the region and for the future. With all technological innovations, it is people who ultimately make the success of a company through their ability, knowledge, and will to succeed. Through their flexibility, even in hard times, embedded in a traditional mid-size company culture. Building on this foundation, HERMLE has become a system solution provider in all relevant areas externally. Internally, it has created a feeling of unity. HERMLE AG in Gossheim. Is this really a special place? Find out more about HERMLE, about the people, benefits, and milling at its best. Get to know the machines that many call the best in the world. Perhaps sometime soon, you will too.